Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This time we have a 12 by 24 Elite Portable Garage. This garage price is $12,093, but you can take it home for $447.89 per month. That's the starting price. You of course can set it up at your convenience. Just let us know. This will be perfect for your tools, your car, or even a man cave. This is an amazing building, really sturdy. It's just beautiful too. It sits very well, no matter where you put it. Let me take you inside. Let's open this garage door and I'll walk you through some of the amazing features that this garage has. This one comes equipped with our Silver Tech sheathing, which gives you that barrier against the elements. This building really stays cool, which is awesome. You got your side door and a window. You can always have add-ons. You can design this specific building on our 3D builder with the specs that you need, the size that you need. Now, most people go for this one. Pretty big. It's plenty space for a vehicle and other things around it. You got your garage door, really smooth, a 9x7 garage door to be specific. And you got your radiant barrier, which is just a must-have, especially if you're planning to use this for some sort of workshop or fixing up your car, your classic car, whatever you may have, or if you want to make this a man cave too. It's just really awesome, very versatile building. And that's it for this video. Let us know if you're interested in the comments, or if you have any questions for this garage or any other buildings that we have. Don't forget to subscribe. We put content like this every week, 2 to 3 videos per week, and where we go over specs and any features that you guys may be interested in. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.